Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable autodub or how you can disable autodub. If you want to turn it on or off, simply go to your YouTube studio. Simply go to your studio. You can access it from your phone or you can access it from your PC. So simply go to settings. After that you can see this second option, channel. Go here, then advanced settings, then scroll down, so you can see this automatic dubbing. You can turn it off. Now you can see this is simple process, or if you want to disable it, turn it off, you can save it or turn it on. It is very accurate auto dub, so you don't need to manually review dubs before publishing. That's all in this video. Hope it benefits your needs. Thank you for